This is the Retinol Repair Complex from NeoStrata, which is a fab product for creating smoother, firmer, fresher looking skin. It's part of NeoStrata's firming range, and that is what retinol does. It builds up collagen within the skin. So it also smooths the skin, it also helps create a more even skin tone. So there's a lot of science in there, but the bottom line is that you get smoother, fresher, firmer skin. And there's 0.5% pure retinol in here, which is a very decent hit when you've got pure retinol, not part of some sort of wider complex of stuff that are dampened down by other ingredients. And there's another key ingredient in here called neoglucosamine, which is a special patented ingredient that NeoStrata has created. And that also works to improve collagen production, to stimulate your own hyaluronic acid. And so that is creating smoother, firmer, better exfoliated skin from inside. And you might wonder why you need that ingredient, the neoglucosamine, doing its job when you've also got the retinol doing those same things, but they work in slightly different ways, and put together they create a really lovely result. This is a retinol-based product, so you should use it only at night. And as with all retinols, I would start slowly, so just twice a week for the first couple of weeks, then step it up to 3 times a week for the next 3 weeks, and then see how you go. You know, you don't have to use this every night. It depends on what your skin can take, but you will get the results, and you want to play a long game with retinol. So go slowly, and then you'll get all the benefits, and you'll see just exactly what this can do.